Here are 5 things you didn't know about the KGB's most terrifying assassination weapon. First, the ricin pellet that killed Bulgarian dissident Georgy Markov was smaller than a pinhead. This tiny metal sphere, barely 1.7 millimeters across, contained enough poison to kill a grown man. Second, the Bulgarian Secret Service worked directly with the KGB to eliminate Markov for his anti-communist broadcasts. He had been marked for death simply for speaking the truth on BBC radio. Third, the umbrella wasn't just a disguise, it was a precision pneumatic weapon. A quick jab to Markov's thigh fired the pellet deep into his muscle tissue. Fourth, Markov died slowly over 3 excruciating days as the ricin destroyed his cells. He knew he'd been poisoned, but doctors couldn't save him. Fifth, intelligence reports later revealed dozens of these umbrella weapons were distributed to Soviet operatives worldwide. The technology was never fully recovered, and some of these weapons may still exist today. The Cold War's most clinical killing machine disappeared into the shadows.